Hi there. How's everybody doing? You guys are doing great work. Just keep it up. This class moves really fast, and I just really appreciate the time and the quality work that you're putting into your discussion boards. So, for the Module 6 discussion board, this one's really fun because I want you to go out and find a commercial that really is using a lot of, pathos and logos and ethos and, you know, show us, you know, what and how this commercial is really being persuasive. So you're going to find your commercial and then you're going to post it. That's really important that you post the actual thumbnail, not just the link. I don't want to mark you down. And then label your answers. So 1 through 4, who do you think this commercial is targeted to? And I just don't want one word or one sentence. Really be thoughtful about who this commercial is targeting. And then how is it changing your mood when you watch it and your mind? And then is it really changing your willingness to act? So are you gonna go out and get this soda or whatever the commercial's about, or this car? So really go into depth. I mean, those are the only 4 questions you have to answer. So then you're going to post it. Remember, this is a thumbnail, and this is instructions on how to upload a video if you need help. And then when you reply, really important that you here's some examples of kind of questions and just go into depth. And I hope you guys are getting to know each other and really having these great conversations. Some of you are replying to more than 2 people, and I just think that's fabulous that you're really making our online community strong. And this is how we interact. This is how I take attendance. This is just how we do it when we're taking an online class. So I appreciate your efforts. Keep up the great work, and as always, go over here to the Canvas inbox and email me if you have a question. I'll get right back to you. Okay? Take care. Thanks. Bye.